The first way is by letting Windows 11 do it, and the second way is by doing it yourself, which is in some ways even better. The first way is to simply right-click the Start button and then select Device Manager, and then from there go to where it says Display Adapters. And there you go, click that and you will see your AMD GPU. In my case, I have an NVIDIA graphics card. And of course, in your case, since you have an AMD GPU, you should see it here as well. Now simply right-click your AMD graphics card and then select Update Driver. And now go ahead and click Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will install the basic drivers for your graphics card. If this doesn't work for you, here's the second way, and it's even better. Yeah, cut out the middleman. Why not get the drivers directly from AMD, the manufacturer itself? Very simple, simply go to AMD's driver download page, which is in the video description. And right away, once you get to the page, you will see an option to get the auto detect tool. This will basically 1. Scan your PC, and 2. Determine which drivers are best for your GPU. So yeah, amazing. This basically does all of the work for you. Now let's say for example you know exactly what you want and you want to get it yourself. Well, you can go to this list right here and then get the driver specifically for your GPU. So there you go, it's that simple. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.